Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the sturdy dance. See a lot of people doing it to this Just Dance remix, but this is a dance that you can do to basically any song. As always, I'm gonna break it down into some mini sections to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Alright, so the first mini section is just a basic footwork move. I'm just gonna show you a quick preview. It goes like this. Hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, let me break it down for you. So basically what you want to do is just do a lot of mini jumps. So what I mean by that, you want to say prep and jump. Alright, so notice how jumping on both legs, but my right is landing like this, alright, on my heel. Okay, let me just show you from the side. What I'm doing in slow-mo is this. Okay, now, so basically from there, you just want to continue the move, boom, and then you want to say prep again, yeah, and then jump to the other side. Now, my left is on my heel. Okay, let me just do that slowly. So from the top, I did prep, jump, prep, jump. Okay, notice that extra jump in between there, extra jump, boom, and then from here you can continue. Hey, okay, let me show it from the side. It goes like this in slow-mo. Prep, jump, extra jump to the other side, boom, continue. Hey. Hey. Alright, now you want to do 4 of those. So you want to start to your right. You want to go right, left, and okay, time to practice. Let's try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say jump right, left. Alright? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, moving on to mini section 2. Let me just show you a quick preview. So right after we've done na, we want to go preview. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey. Alright, let me break it down for you. I actually want to do it without doing the jump to begin with, alright? So let's just turn to the side, and what you want to do is take your right leg and go kick twice to the front, alright? And then kick twice to the back, boom. And now you want to do single to the front, single to the back, and then you want to say kick up, and then down, okay? Let's just try that without the jumping. So I did 2 to the front, 2 to the back, 1 to the front, 1 to the back, up, down. All right, now let's do the jumping as well. And just show you one more time how it looks. So this was in the mini section 1. 2 goes jump, 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 down. Now, when you kick to the front, you want to jump slightly to the back, okay? Just on the first one when you do the double. So what I mean by that is you want to go jump back, hey. And then when you kick to the back, you want to jump slightly to the front, okay? So when you do that, it's going to look like this. Jump back, hey, front, hey. And then obviously when you do the single, you also have to jump back and forth slightly, all right? Boom, boom, okay? And then when it's time to do this one, you just jump on the spot, right? Don't need to move anywhere. Something that I forgot to explain is the transition from mini section 1 to mini section 2. So this was end of 1, right? Now, the transition to mini section 2 is basically just jump and turn to the side, right? So I'm jumping back with my left leg here, kicking my right, boom, like that. Okay, let me just show you again. I went from here to boom, all right? And then I just do double jump, and then the other way, whoop, whoop, and then single, single, up, down. Now, before we start practicing, you can just mark it. You don't have to exaggerate the moves, all right? Save the energy, full here, okay? All right, time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, much slower. All right, let's start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, feel free to practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do one last time, slightly faster, and then we're gonna move on. Alright? So it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, let's do mini section 1 and mini section 2, okay? I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. So quick recap, it goes like this from the tip to the top. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, jump, twice, back, back, front, back, up, down. All right, let's try and practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down. All right, let's just try it one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, moving on to mini section 3. And just show you a quick preview. This was the end of 2. 3 goes A, down, boom, A, boom, A. All right, let me break it down for you. So this was the end of 2. You're going down. Now from here, what you want to do is jump on your right leg, and then you want to bring up your left leg. So like this, all right? Not all the way up here. You want to keep it down here, all right? Then just show it from the side. So what I'm doing is I'm here. I want to go boom, okay? Let me show it from a different angle. From here, boom, okay? And then notice how my left arm is at the front when I'm jumping on my right. And then I go back, and then I want to do it to the opposite side. I just go opposite, okay? And then I want to return. Now from here, what I want to do is I want to say mini jump up, and then I want to bring up my left, say sweep, down, and then I do the opposite, to the other side, down. And that's basically it, all right? So let me just recap here. What I did is I did boom, back, jump on the left, back, and then left up, down, right up, down. Okay, this is pretty tough on your legs. Feel free to take some breaks in between, okay? But let's try and practice. We're gonna go slow. So starting from down here, and then I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go jump on right. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, down, jump on the left, down, jump on right, sweep left, down, and then opposite, down. All right, let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, down, left, down, sweep left, and sweep right, and. All right, the last mini section, in my opinion, is sort of optional because I see people do different things there, but I'm just gonna explain it in case you wanna look at it, all right? So preview, from here it goes, and boom, tap, tap, and boom, hey. And then the breakdown. Here, that was the end of the last mini section. Now what you wanna do from here is just say jump up, because you wanna prep to say slide back on your right, and sort of drag your left, all right? Let me just show you to the side here. What I want to do is go prep, slide, and then what I want to do, I'm just going to stay here. I'm going to say jump, lift up your right, and then cross over. Then make sure it's at the front, all right? So what I did is I went prep, slide back, jump, step over, and then I want to step out with the one in the back here. Boom, our left. And then from here, you can turn however you want. You can turn this way or the other way, which I prefer. And then that's it. Okay, let me just recap here. So what I did is, from here, I went up, slide, jump, jump, step out, turn around, dip if you want to do that. Alright guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so from the tip to top it goes like this. Right and left and right and left and kick front twice, back twice, run, back, kick up, down. Now right and left and sweep left foot, right foot, and up, slide back, jump across, step out, room, bang. Alright, before we start practicing the full thing, let me just explain the timing as well. If you want to do it to this Just Dance song. So it starts on, the count starts on 3. So I'm gonna jump on 3, and then the count is really easy, it's just on whole counts. So this was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright, time to practice. I'm just gonna count 1, 2, and then we start jumping on 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Like I said, it can be tough on the legs, so feel free to take a break if you need to. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo, more or less, and feel free to practice at your own pace. Okay? So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.